still waiting here for our turn. So 3 more. We're all tired. We just need a cold drink badly. Go, go, go. Easy, go. Go, go, go. Come, Sissy. Going back up to the car. So as you can see here, there's so many steps. Oh my god, it's crazy. It's worth it though. Okay, we just had 5 minutes break and now we're going up again. Alright, so we're finally up and we're just recharging a little bit. So now we are going to Atum Beach. We're not allowed to swim here because the waves are pretty big. So we're probably just gonna have a look and take some pictures. We're all very tired. We're going to have lunch now. What is it? So Daddy's coconut drink is here. So we are having lunch now. We're extremely tired from all the walking. And this is what I'm having, nasi campur. So it's a rice mixed with chicken, veggies, chili potatoes, I think, and boiled egg with chili.
Fighting.
Now I'm gonna try Daddy's coconut juice.
How is it? Is it better than the one in the hotel?
Same.
Same.
Yesterday it was alright then. You were complaining.
What are you doing, Missy? Give me back.
The same taste?
Give back my powder.
So it was
You said you just want to use the mirror. Watermelon juice and Izzy's mango juice with her spaghetti bolognese.
Iced tea.
Yeah. We just got back from a very tiring trip, but the kids wanted to go to the pool and they wanted me to go as well. So I will see you later.
Yes or no? All the way up there.
Yeah, so this is our second time actually come to this restaurant, and yes, and we want to sit up there in the treehouse. Let's see what it looks like upstairs. They said that it's a bit windy today, so the treehouse might actually move, but they will let us know if the wind is getting worse. We have to go down and just sit in the normal area, because it can be a little bit scary, especially for the kids. Oh my god, oh my god,
That's how it looks like. It's moving a bit. But
it's moving a bit. Oh my god. So that's the view from up here. Oh my god.
no, order from up here. You have to ring the bell. Do you think that works?
Yeah.
Okay,
Woo, it's very windy.
And it's moving.
It's moving. Look at the view from up here. Awesome.
If you wanted to take that,
a unique spot though.
if you wanted to take that, you shouldn't sit down. The person just came here and said it's not recommended, this place. But it's never fallen down.
It's not recommended to stay up here, not this restaurant.
Mommy, stop stealing it. Abby's a bit scared of it. Don't say that.
Oh my god. This restaurant is massive. Look at this. Yeah, it's really nice at night. It has a photo spot here. Well, then take a photo, and you just went on the swing, isn't it, Abby? See, those are the tree houses. We were up there before, but we decided to go down because the wind was quite big, and the people here said that it's not recommended to stay up there when it's really windy. Check out this view. Look at that. The view from the treehouse is actually really, really nice. But that's okay. I think we made a good choice to just stay downstairs.
We didn't get to go up there because it was a bit too shaky for us. So down here, but I think it's even better down here because they have swings and they also have like dots like that you can throw. It's really fun.
Yeah. So it's a lot of space for you to run around, yeah? And that's drink.
It's happier.
It's happy hour. That makes it better. Buy one get one free.
Do crusts look different to you?
I don't know actually. So they're having the same thing again, margarita pizza, and we are having chicken fingers because we liked it yesterday. And I'm having this rice and fish. See? Look at 'em. Go, girls. This is one of the activity that they can do from the hotel. It's called Canang Sari. It's like an offering for a prayer in Bali. Some sort of prayers.
Karya kita bikin kembangnya, dia cantik, itu dia adiknya. Ini merah, Dek. Sayang, di sini sayang. Ini dihamur tadi anak-anak di sana.
Kenapa, Mbak?
Tadi anak.
Oh,
Tadi di bawah semua.
itu bunga ya?
Iya, bunga.
That's flowers, easy. Bunga. Okay.
Taruh di sini sayang. Ya. And
Do you
finish.
wanna get close, Abby?
And finish.
Do you wanna get close to Easy, Abby?
Sini ya.
No? Shall mommy move your pillow there? No?
Cantik. Nah, sebentar.
Wow, look at that.
Di atas tuh. Iya. Tenang Sari, bagus.
It's done, Easy. Look at that. Yang apa dong, sayang?
Kita
Coba lihat. Coba mami lihat. Iya, Cici mami lihat. Oh, wow. Iya. Ya? Correct, Abby? Ya? Okay. Thank you. Ya? Do you wanna have a look? Do you wanna have a look? Ya? Oke. Bilang apa, Cici? Kasih.
Kasih.